A 25% tariff on imported cars, light trucks, auto parts set to go into effect this week. News Channel 9's Ashley Cafaro checking in with a local auto repair shop, finding out the impact on business.
Well, Christy, the president's 25% tax on car parts will likely increase prices, a big concern for auto repair shops like Scotty's Automotive in Manoa. The auto repair shop says a majority of their car parts are made outside the U.S., and that's been the case since the early 2000s. Beth Scott, co-owner of Scotty's Automotive, says right now prices for imported auto parts are reasonable and it's affordable for people to continue to maintain their vehicle. However, Trump's 25% tax will likely change that.
As the cost of vehicles have gone up, it's gotten to be too expensive to be getting a new car every few years. So more and more people are maintaining their cars and keeping them for longer, 10, 12 years, until our rust factor works into the equation. So that's going to have a huge impact with these parts going up. It's a no-win situation.
And the 25% tariffs are set to go into effect this Thursday, April 3rd. In Manoa, Ashley Cafaro, News Channel 9.
And Scotty's Automotive says they don't want to increase costs unless it becomes absolutely necessary.